How to see friend suggestions on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. But first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device. Make sure that you have the latest version of the application. Then what you can do is tap on the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy over here. So just tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings again. After that, scroll down and then tap on notifications. Now scroll down again and here you can see the option of people you may know. So tap on it and you can see it's toggled off right now. So this shows that you'll not be able to see any sort of suggestions from Facebook. Now just toggle this on and now you'll receive the notifications from email, SMS about the people that you may know and that will be suggested by Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.